Poor Rich.
I coughed one time on the way to work, just like, and then my voice just went.
So this
Full
morning,
power right now.
this morning when you woke up, you spoke.
Well, not really, but I could clear my throat and stuff. Like I can't even clear my throat now.
That's how he talks. So as the morning,
sad.
as we've been talking about stuff throughout the morning, I find myself when he talks to me, I end up whispering back to him. I'm like, well, then what time then? Should we do this? What? Okay, and then I'm like, wait a minute. And so what's funny, kind of funny, is I wanted to bring something up on the show today because I've been communicating with Dr. Oz early this morning about something totally unrelated to this. And I've segued my conversation from what my issue was with Dr. Oz into Rich's issue. I'm like, hey, man, can you jump on the air with us right now? Because Rich coughed and now he can't talk.
Can you help Dr. Oz fix this?
And he
we
goes,
need our Rich Farah.
Yeah.
What
and
is
so
that?
Dr. Oz goes, I think do you remember the word he said? He goes, let me find it. He goes, I think Rich suffers from malignment or something. And I'm like, he says malignment. I go, what does that mean? And Rich goes, I don't know what that means. But let's Google it. We'll Google malignment and then you're fixed. And malignment means you're trying to get out of work.
Which I would never do. I just can't talk.
Malingering, he said. Malignment probably means something else. Because he suffers from malingering.
Like, what I'm interested in hearing remedies. Like, I don't think it's my actual voice. I think it's something in my lung.
Well, remember, when was that? A few years ago, you had a really bad cough, and then all of a sudden you had to go in and get surgery. Remember? It was like the first time Rich missed work in a really long time. It was because he had to get
It
surgery on
was
his
like
throat.
a steroid shot they gave me, not really surgery.
But you had surgery on something in your throat
Yeah.
here 15 years ago. You're
Yeah.
probably going to die. This is the beginning of you dying.
Oh, no.
I actually feel really good.
What if they remove your throat? What if you can't talk? What if you have that one of those things like, hello, my name is Rich. And you have that on your throat.
We would be the only morning show with one of those.
It's true. It would be very original.
Wow.
That's so
Is there
sad.
something I can type to talk? Like a computer thing?
Oh, my gosh. That would be amazing. I'm
know.
going to get on
Because
this.
I can type fast.
You can.
Oh, and look, our fire alarm's going off too. Your voice has set off the fire alarm in the building. That's hilarious.
You know, yesterday it really smelled like something was burning in the hallways. We have this construction happening around us.
Yeah.
And we're like, what are we smelling? What is on fire? And now the fire alarm's going off.
Well,
What's happening?
that's
Chaos.
how our radio show is. The fire alarm just went off. We're like, all right, we'll just deal with it.